So we are now going to scan the patient. Coming back to the camera, how do we use the camera and what is unique about the Primescan camera? Well, it's got a dynamic lens. So when we use this camera, first we lift, support it correctly, and we hold like a pen grip. And to move this pen grip, I think of it like an aeroplane. So when I want it to lift off, drop the back. When I want it to land, when I want it to rotate, I'm using my fingers to rotate. And the dynamic lens is like an autopilot. It does all the work for you. That's what makes it unique. It's got a depth of view, 20 millimeters. So you don't need to be doing a lot of movement. It's doing a lot of the capturing for you. So don't fight the camera. Let the camera do the work for you.